Hi kids! Have you ever wondered, why do bubbles pop? Let's float into the science of bubbles and find out. When you blow a bubble, you're making a thin layer of soap and water wrapped around air. That soapy skin is called a bubble film, and it's super delicate, like a tiny balloon made out of water. But guess what? Bubbles don't last forever. They pop, and here's why. The first reason is dry air. Bubbles need water to stay strong, but if the air around them is dry, the water in the bubbles starts to evaporate. That means it disappears into the air. When too much water is gone, the bubble film gets too thin and pop. The second reason is touching. If you touch a bubble with something dry, rough, or not soapy, like your finger or clothes, it breaks the bubble film. The bubble can't hold itself together anymore and pop. Even the ground, a blade of grass, or a gust of wind can pop a bubble. That's why bubbles float best on calm days, and why some people wear soapy gloves to catch them without popping them. Want to try it? Dip a clean glove in bubble solution and catch a bubble. See how long it lasts. So remember, bubbles pop when they get too dry, or when something touches them and breaks their thin skin. Thanks for learning about why bubbles pop with us. Keep asking questions and exploring the world, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and awesome videos. See you soon. Bye bye.